Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Nice to see you, hope you're well. Right, today we're getting that boat out in the sea. It's the sea trial day. Stay tuned, this is going to be good. Right, Artie's just wheeling her down to the slipway. Here we go, boy.
Dad.
Right, brought us, the tide's right out, so we're gonna have to push it out quite far. No, you gotta get in, you gotta get out.
No, I don't want to get wet feet.
We're gonna have to go in pretty far though to get it off the trailer.
Here we go. Is it cold? That's a yeah.
It's freezing. Oh, it's alright, it's alright, it's not too bad, it's just that first shock.
Got a new life jacket. It's got one of them water things in it.
Here we go, boys. Nice flat calm this morning. The time, now 10 o'clock. I got up at 2, left my house at 4. We've set the girls up on the beach and now we're just heading out. My good friend John is meeting up with us later. We're going to try and have a go at the carburetors and see if we can get them sorted out. And then see what the performance is like before and after the carburetor change. Right, let's go, hit it.
Oh!
Woo! Oh boy! You better hold on, Arlie.
Yeah. Is that flat out?
No.
Oh, big bumps. Oh, waves.
She gets up and goes, boy! That's not even flat out! She turns really good! The steering is so responsive! Look at it! That is awesome! Oh boy! That is good! The carburetors are not right, they've still got some poke. Hopefully when we sort them carbs out,
Be better.
I think, to be honest, this 30 horsepower for this boat, which it is rated for, might be a bit too much. There's a chain ferry. For those of you people that haven't watched my videos before, I've gone on about this chain ferry in nearly every boat video.
It, haven't they? It used to be blue.
Yeah, it looks like they've painted it. And that chain ferry, that goes to Swanage. That's where it goes in over there, and it takes you to Swanage. And Studland Bay, Middle Beach, all around that area.
It's not too rough.
No, it's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
It's always rough here anyway, but this is actually relatively calm considering. Right, we're not going all the way out today. Not yet anyway. The reason for that is my friend John is meeting us and we're going to try and have a go at these carburetors. He's got the tool we need in his boat. He's camping at Wareham, a little campsite at Wareham. So we are going to turn around now, head back to the slipway. We're going to stay close to the slipway so that we can meet up, see if we can get a bit more go out of this engine, tune it up properly. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're going to have a go. I'm literally sat in the bottom of the boat.
Oh, that was a bad one.
I'm literally sat in the bottom of the boat. I don't feel safe sitting on the seat. I feel like I'm going to fall out. Boy, this has got some poke.
Oh no, boy. Oh.
Right, just walking back up. Put the boat over there. I just tied it up to one of the boys there. We're just going to sit for a little while and wait for John. Right, John's just rung me. He's just over there. There he is. He's waving. He's right the furthest boat away. He's just coming in nice and slow because it's so shallow. My boat's just here. We're going to try and do these carbs. See if we can get a bit more performance out of this thing. Actually, it's not about performance, just to get it running right, you know. It's not running quite right. So let's go and see what we can do. Here they are.
Oi, oi.
There he is.
Hi, matey.
It's Jamie. Well, we got the engine cover off. We are going to try and tune these carbs up.
You didn't worry about your hair earlier, weren't you?
Yeah, I have that trouble all the time.
Him!
Oh, him?
He took his cap off, didn't you? He took your cap off. Yeah. And he went down, the hair's not right, the hair's not right. So I wasn't talking about you, I wouldn't have been that rude.
No, it's the sort of comments I normally get.
Oh,
don't worry.
okay. No, it's him. You look good, you look good. Do you want some gel?
There, see, people are watching us all the time. Right, let's get into this. Right, show them that machine we've got, John, the contraption here we've got. There we go. That's what we've got to try and tune up the carbs with. And basically what this does, it puts all the carbs working exactly the same in tandem with each other. So I've got to take that screw out, and then the bottom one is just there. We're going to plug some tubes in, we're going to connect this machine, and then we're going to have a little play around with it. Right, so I'm sort of doing a bit and then I'll turn the camera on. We've plugged these little tubes in. We've took the screws out, and then we've got these little tubes, and then we've got to connect hoses onto here, which connects to that dial, the dials that John's got over there. Right, little Jamie's holding the camera. I'm just putting these tubes on, which is connected to these things. Get Harley to hold that, and I'll connect these tubes up.
What's this actually doing?
Balances the carburetors. Make sure they're all something the same.
So there we go, we've got the tube, and we've got the hose connected, which is going into these dials here. And basically, the goal is to try and get all the needles on the same position, running at the same position. So let's see if we can try and do this. Right, so we're all connected up. What we've done basically, this screw here adjusts each carburetor moving in tandem on this bar here, so that they're all moving up and down at exactly the same point. So now we've got them pretty much. It's the top one, middle one, and the bottom one. The bottom one is the master one. So we've got them right now. Now all we need to do is just mess about with these mixture screws to get it running smoothly all the way through the rev range. And this might take a few attempts to get it right. But we've got the carbs all balanced, set correct now, so that's good. Right, so unfortunately we didn't film it, but what we've done, basically we came out, we had a flat out run over here to see what it felt like, and it was bogging down still about halfway through the rev range. So what we've done is we've took each mixture screw and we've turned it in a quarter of a turn each time, each run, and it was about 2 turns out was the perfect perfect setting. I wouldn't say it's 100%, but bear in mind this engine's not brand new, but considering what it was, it feels much better. So what we're going to do now, John's over in his boat over there, we're going to go out past the chain ferry, now mine's running a bit better, and we're going to go round to Middle Beach, which is past the nudist bit. Might see some naked bodies. We were pinging, boy. I was neck and neck with John, and he said that it looked like we topped at around 22 mile an hour. Is that mile an hour, John, or knots?
Mile an hour.
Mile an hour, 22 mile an hour. And I think this engine's got enough power, I could probably get a slightly bigger prop to get some more top speed. But to be honest with you, I think any more than that, and that would be a hairy, scary ride. I think I'm going to stick with what I've got. But once we get a new propeller, one that's not all bit chewed up, that'll add a little bit of performance again. Oh, I nearly fell over then. Yeah, so I'm going to order a new propeller, I think, for this.
So good on the back of the ringer.
Right, these two are doing our heading. They want to use the. I did bring it. I brought the banana boat, but now we're down here. The water is absolutely still ice cold. Obviously, it's still early in the season.
It's not as cold as that water from inside.
It's still early in the season, so the water's still freezing, and I think it's way too cold for them to get in.
Not on a ringer.
But they don't believe us.
We want to do banana.
Right, you and you jump in that water right now, and you tell me if that's good enough to do the banana.
Fine, if I jump in right now, you'll let me do the banana.
Well, no, because it's all the way back over there
but
now.
we can go and get it.
Off my boat.
Yes?
What's the time? What's the time? It's 20 to 2. I don't think we're going to have enough time, to be fair.
Yeah, we will.
I guess that's one way.
Right, Harley actually, a split moment's decision, he said bugger it and he jumped in. And now Jamie's going to have a jump in as well. But the difference is, Harley's got a wetsuit on under there, Jamie has not. Let's see how cold it is then, Jamie. You can tell us. Go on then, Harley, and then I'll give Jamie the countdown. Go for it. Oh, I can feel how cold that is when it splashed me.
Right, 5.
Quick.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh shit, get me out!
You gotta stay in 20 seconds, I can't.
Oh, don't make him, don't make him.
Fair play. Fair play.
His face!
Work.
Oh my god!
Look, now we can
Was
get
that a panic because it was so cold, or you just didn't like being in the deep water?
So cold.
I told them. You can't tell them. They have to learn. There you go. Now he's gonna be freezing all the way back now. If that wind gets up, you'll know it.
yeah. Yeah, same.
Right, me and John have caved in.
Get up there.
They've gone on and on and on and on about doing this banana boat. We just can't bear to listen to it anymore, so we're going to go back and get it. They're only having a quick go. It's going to be a short go.
Still will go.
They've got in the water, to be fair. I said if they got in the water to see how cold it was, and if it was all right,
We're
then
not
we'd go
even
and get it.
shivering, look.
Yeah, not yet.
It's not even cold.
Right, let's go and get it. Take a look at this thing.
Beastie.
Look at that thing. The Twin Slizzler Pro Aqua.
That's going down.
It's not going down.
It is, it's not. It's not.
Right,
not
let's
cold.
get them out there. They wanted to have a go at this thing. Let's give them
We're
a good
gonna come
go.
off it.
Tell me if you want to go a bit faster.
Right, they're in it. Gotta get them up on the plane, ain't ya?
Yeah, I'll never get used to it first.
So I reckon if you rip the corner, that's it, they're off. They're off. Jamie's going to start panicking now.
No, you won't. I get the banana me, yeah.
Grab it! Make sure you grab it! Yeah, they're going to struggle to get that back over, aren't they? They're trying to get back on, but they're struggling.
This thing's gone down fully.
They're complaining that it's lost some air. Go on, Ali, put him on!
Huh?
Put him on!
Nearly there?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Right, get up there! Sit on now. Wait,
I think that might be better with one person on it.
that was actually good.
Right, so it was alright in a straight line.
Yeah. Yeah! Do not turn.
Oh, I have to turn.
Turn as slow as you can though.
Just goes off to one side.
Yeah, it's not right,
There's
is
nothing
it?
to do with the turn.
I think with the loss of air in it, it's not working properly. We've got Jamie in it on his own now. I don't know if you'll see it because the sun's right behind him, but it seems to be working better with this Jamie.
I think it was my fault.
Ali's turn. Ali's on it now. Jamie's at the front. Was it good, Jane?
Oh, it was so fun. By the way, here's a tip for you to always like never fall off on your turn. You want your leg like you want the bottom of your foot skimming the water, and then you want to lean the way that you're turning.
It's a bit late now. He's already sat in it. You should have told him that before he got in.
I did.
Right, let's go. Here we go.
That's cool.
back at the slipway now. The boat's out, we've washed it all down. I didn't bother filming that because you've seen us washing them before. The engine is running much better after we did a little tune-up. The top speed was 22 miles an hour, but hopefully when I get the new prop, we might get a couple of miles an hour more. What else have we done?
Probably about 25 then with the new
Yeah,
one.
maybe 24, 25. Don't think it's going to make that much difference unless we upsize the prop. So a couple of guys come and said hello to us in the car park. Just want to say thank you to those guys that come over. And all that leads me to say is thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time you come along for the ride with Budgie. Take care. Bye bye.